Evaluate the function, which is given x squared times x minus 3. So we want to evaluate this function at the given value of the independent variable. So in this case, the given value is this t plus 6. Okay, and the first word here, evaluate, well, evaluate means, that means plug in. Okay, so it's basically saying plug in the given value, or plug t plus 6 into your function g of x. Okay, so with these, when you're evaluating functions, one way to look at it, maybe a visual way of looking at it, is the x's, your independent variable. These are like input slots. So you could look at this g of x as something squared times something minus 3. Well, we're going to take that t plus 6, and that goes into input slot here, and it goes into the input slot here. Okay, so what it looks like is g of x equals t plus 6 squared times t plus 6 minus 3. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're inserting the t plus 6 into the input slot that is the x. Okay, so let's simplify this. Well, that's t plus 6 times t plus 6. And we have a t plus 6 and a minus 3, so that will give us a t plus 3. So I'll go ahead and multiply out the first pair of binomials. So that should be t squared plus 6t plus another 6t, so that's plus 12t. And plus 6 times 6, which is 36. Okay, and now we have to multiply the quadratic by the t plus 3. So everything is multiplied by t, and everything is multiplied by 3. Okay, so multiply through by t, so that should be t to the third power plus 12t to the second power plus 36t, and then we'll multiply everything by 3. So that's a 3t squared. 3 times 12 is 36. And 3 times 36 is 108. 108, okay, it just fits. All right, now let's collect some like terms. We've got t squared and a t squared. We've got a t and a t. So it looks like once we're done simplifying, or the directions say simplify the results. Once we're done simplifying, we have a t to the third power. A total of 15 t squares. 15 t to the second. 36 and 36 is 72, so we have 72t. And finally a 108. Okay, so that is the simplified. So let's say, oh, sorry, up here that should not be g of x. Let's change that to g of t plus 6. Okay, so g of t plus 6, we are done.